Good morning, everybody. I'm out here and going to sand on my window boxes, and I thought I'd let y'all watch me do a little short video on that. I'll lower you down. Okay. I'll sand on it till I get my time's expired, and then I'll leave. But I'm going to sand on it, try to soften it up a little bit. This is just a little sponge block with the sanding paper all stuck on it all around. Pretty nice. Really like it. It should soften the look of it a little bit. I don't have a little electric sander. That would be cool. But this is okay. Come around over here. Okay. Now, I hope that's a little softened it up a little bit so it won't be so obvious. Okay. Might do a little more, I don't know, but that looks pretty good. That's what I wanted to accomplish. So anyway, y'all have a great weekend and a nice day today. Bye-bye.